Next, properties of bases. There are two properties. One is physical property, another one is chemical property. First one, physical property. Bases generally exist in solid state, but some bases exist in liquid state also. Solid state and liquid state, most of them solid state. Few only liquid state, that is ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Compare the acids, most of them liquid states, only one is solid state. Are you remember? Benzoic acid only solid state. You compare and study, means it's easily to study. Okay, acids fully liquid, only one is solid, that is benzoic acid. Here base, most of them solid, two only liquid, that is ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Second point, underline ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Okay. Next, bases give soapy touch only in aqueous medium. Aqueous means it is add water. If you add water plus soap, it converts into the soapy. But if not add water, it is a dry nature. Okay, bases give a soapy when touch only the aqueous medium, not in a dry nature. Okay, next one, bases are bitter in taste. This is the one difference. Acid is sour taste, base is bitter taste. Okay, the next, bases are corrosive in nature. Acid also corrosive in nature, base also corrosive in nature. When come in contact with the skin, frequently they form painful and blisters. Some soaps are injury make in hand. Okay, the blisters means koppalangal. Okay va, சில சோப் எல்லாருக்கும் ஒத்துக்காது. வாஷ் பண்ணும் பொழுது அவங்களுடைய கையில் வந்து ரொம்ப அவங்களுடைய ஸ்கின் ரொம்ப சென்சிட்டிவாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா அவங்க பிளிஸ்டர் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும், கொப்பளமாக ஃபார்ம் ஆயிரும். ஸோ இட் இஸ் வெரி பெயின்ஃபுல். It is a corrosive in nature. Okay, that's why. Next, bases are generally colorless. Acid also colorless, base also colorless. Okay, the next one, bases also change the color of the indicators. This is important. Base also changes the color of the indicators. Already you studied the acid change the indicators. Are you remember? BAR. That is blue litmus change into red litmus due to acids. Here just opposite, red litmus change into blue litmus due to the base. Due to the base or BB. This is a short form. This one easily muck up, bar magnet, that like. Okay va, இதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுன்னா நம்ம இதை ஈஸியாக எழுதிடலாம். ஆசிட் ஒன்லி ப்ளூ லிட்மஸ் சேஞ்ச் இன்டு ரெட் லிட்மஸ், தென் பேஸ் ரெட் லிட்மஸ் சேஞ்ச் இன்டு ப்ளூ லிட்மஸ். தட்ஸ் ஆல். நெக்ஸ்ட், the methyl orange change into yellow color and phenolphthalein change into pink color. But acid methyl orange change into pink color. Are you remember? Pink color. Methyl orange change into pink color. But here methyl orange change into yellow and phenolphthalein change into pink color. This is very 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 important. So underline. Red litmus paper turn into blue when treated with bases. The same, methyl orange change into yellow, phenolphthalein change into pink color. These are all due to bases. Okay. Next, bases also conduct electricity in aqueous solution. Bases also conduct electricity in aqueous solution. Acid also conduct the electricity because of H plus ion having, here OH minus ion having. So both of them conduct the electricity. Okay. Are you now tell the difference between acid and bases? Yes. First, acid is sour taste, base is bitter taste. Okay. Sour taste and bitter taste. Then second point, they produce H plus ion in water, they produce OH minus ions in water. H plus and OH minus. Okay. Few acids are solid state, most of the bases are solid state. Mostly acids in a liquid state, so few only solid state, that is a benzoic acid. But here most of them base is the solid state, few only liquid state. Okay. Next, the acid turn blue litmus paper red. Blue litmus change into red color. Here the red litmus change into blue color. This is the difference between the acids and bases. This is one book back question, 4th Roman, 4th question. 4th Roman, 4th question. Okay, mark it ma. This is important question also. Are you understand what is the base and what is the acids in last class? Okay, what is the base? The base is when dissolved in water, the base releases hydroxide ion. Okay, what is the taste of base? Bitter taste. The base change the indicator's color. Base turn red litmus change into blue color. Okay, red litmus change into blue color. This is very important points. Okay. Next, chemical properties. First, reaction with metals. Another one is reaction with non-metals. Then reaction with ammonium salts. Okay, you don't mug up the formula. You know the reaction with what, then what is the product of the reaction. This is important. This is enough. Okay, the first one, generally metals do not react with bases. Metals like aluminium and zinc react with bases like sodium hydroxide, forming the aluminates and release hydrogen ion. The main thing, the base react with metals, it gives us hydrogen gas and aluminate product. Okay, aluminate product. For example, aluminium Al, sodium hydroxide NaOH plus water, it react with, it gives us sodium aluminate plus hydrogen. The important thing is hydrogen, it releases the hydrogen. Okay, the formula 2Al plus 2NaOH plus 2H2O, it gives us NaAlO2 plus 3H2. This is enough to learn. Okay, you know the formula, that is enough. Next, reaction with non-metal oxides. Non-metal oxides. All bases react with non-metallic oxides. But here, metals do not react with bases. Metal oda react agadu, but non-metal oda react agum. To form a salt and water. This is compulsory, you know. Salt and water, it form. For example, sodium hydroxide react with the carbon dioxide to form a sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is the salt. Water, you know. Okay. So, base react with non-metal oxides. It gives us sodium carbonate and water. That is a salt and water. You understand? First point, bases react with metals. It gives us hydrogen and aluminates. Okay. Then second point, base react with metal, non-metal oxides. It gives us salt and water. Are you understand? Okay. The next, reaction with ammonium salt. Already you know the ammonia formula NH3. Okay. The base react with ammonium salt to form a metal salt and ammonia gas. Metal salts and ammonia gas. Which metal react with base, that metal only give us. Here giving the sodium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride, it gives us the sodium chloride. It gives us sodium chloride. This like sodium chloride. Okay. Next, the ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide plus water. You separately come the ammonia and water. Okay. So the bases react with ammonium salt. It gives us metal salt and ammonia and water. Three of them releasing. Okay. Though acids and bases have some unique properties, there are certain similarities between them. Already you learned what are the difference between acid and bases. Now we will learn what are the unique of base and acids. The first one, they are corrosive in nature. ரெண்டுமே என்ன பண்ணோம், corrosive, அரிக்கும் தன்மை. ஓகேவா? Second one, they undergo the ionization in aqueous solution. Two of them in aqueous solution, it conduct the electricity. Okay, that is ionization. H plus and OH minus. When dissolved in base and acids, two of them releasing ionization. One is acid release H plus, base release OH minus. So two of them ionization. Then third one, they conduct the electricity in aqueous solution. Two of them releasing ionization. So two of them conducting the electricity. The next, they undergo the neutralization reaction. They go the neutralization. Next topic, neutralization, we will see clearly. Okay, they undergo the neutralization reaction. That's all. This is the unique properties of acid and bases. The next, difference between acid and bases already we had learned. Again I am repeat, they produce the H plus ion, they produce OH minus ion in water. It is a sour taste, it is a bitter taste. Few acid only in the solid state, most of the bases are solid state. Acid turn blue litmus paper red, bases turn red litmus paper blue. Okay, this is the difference between acid and bases. Next, uses of bases. First one, potassium hydroxide is used to make bathing soap. Sodium hydroxide is used to make washing soap. Already you know the bases used in soaps. Okay, the main difference is the potassium hydroxide is used in the bathing soap, but the sodium hydroxide is used as washing soap. Okay, next is the sodium hydroxide also used in paper industries, textile industries and in the preparation of medicine. So these field sodium hydroxide also using. Next, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, the another name is lime water. Okay, lime water is used for whitewashing for houses. Okay, whitewashing, calcium hydroxide. Next, aluminum hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide are used in antacids, to cure that acidity problem. Okay, in our stomach excess acid secretion means that the aluminum hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide to cure that acidity problem. Okay, the two bases are used to cure the acidity problem. The next, ammonium hydroxide is used to manufacture fertilizers. Ammonia formula you know, the NH3, nitrogen is present in ammonia. So all the plants needed the nitrogen for growth. That's why most of the fertilizer make from the ammonia. So ammonium hydroxide is used to manufacturing fertilizers, nylon, plastic and rubber. Okay, ammonium hydroxide is used to manufacture fertilizers, nylon, plastic and rubber. Okay. Okay. Dash base used to make a bathing soap. Yes. Potassium hydroxide, base used to make a bathing soap. Okay, dash is used for manufacturing fertilizer. Yes, ammonium hydroxide is used to manufacturing fertilizers. Okay. Okay students, now take the book back questions. 4th Roman first question and 4th Roman second question already you marked in book. Now you mark the 4th Roman third question, page number 159. Okay, 159. Then 4th question, page number 159. This also. Next, then 7th question, page number 158. 5th Roman first question already you mark it. 5th Roman second question 159. Okay, now I am mark the book back answers. First 2 mark question. What is the question? The third question, what are the similarities between acids and bases? Okay, take page number 159. This one, this is the similarities. Okay, they are corrosive in nature. They are corrosive in nature, acids and base. They undergo the ionization in aqueous solution. 2 of them and ionization. That is H plus and OH minus. So undergo the ionization. Then third one, they conduct electricity in aqueous solution. 2 of them conduct the electricity. Then they undergo the neutralization reaction. Okay, so this is the answer for what are the similarities between acids and bases. Similarities means same. Okay, the next question, state the difference between acids and base. Acids and base. That question here, 4th Roman, 4th question. Okay, they produce H plus ion, they produce OH minus ion in water, they are sour in taste, they are bitter in taste. Few acids are solid state, most of the bases are in solid state. Acids turn blue litmus paper red, bases turn a red litmus paper blue. Okay, acids blue litmus change into red litmus. Here red litmus change into blue litmus. That is enough. Okay, due to acid, here due to base. That is the reason. Then for 6th question, not teach 7th question, write any 4 physical properties of base. The physical properties here, you have to write any 4 physical properties. Okay, this fully have to write any 4. Next, what are the uses of bases? Uses of bases. This. So you have to study the uses of acid and bases. You have to study the properties acid and bases. You compare and study. Okay, yes. Okay, ma. Today we had learned the topic base. The base is when dissolved in water, it releases OH ion. Okay, what is the taste of base? Bitter taste. Okay, which bases are called alkalis? Water soluble bases are called alkalis. Okay, the next, what is the formula of sodium hydroxide? NaOH. Yes. What is the formula of potassium hydroxide? Yes, KOH. Next, dash is used as a bathing soap, potassium hydroxide. Dash is used for whitewashing, calcium hydroxide. Okay, that's all. Now you mark the one words. First one, already you mark it, acids are sour in taste. Then second one, aqueous solution of dash conduct electricity. All of these, acid, base, salt, 3 of them conduct the electricity. So third one, In acidic solution, blue litmus changes into dash color, red color. Acidic solution. Base means it change into blue color. Blue change into red is acidic. Red change into blue, that is base. Okay. Next, base is a substance that gives a dash on dissolving in water, OH minus. Okay, this is answer you mark in your book. Base is a substance that gives on dissolving in water, OH minus. Next, sodium hydroxide is a base. Already you know, sodium hydroxide is a base. That one not teach. Next, magnesium hydroxide are used for treating acidity. Magnesium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide, two of them cure that acidity. So answer is acidity. Mark in our book. This one next topic. So next class I will teach. We brush our teeth with toothpaste because it is dash in nature, basic in nature. Because slippery, that valuvaluppa irukum. Okay va? So we brush on our teeth with toothpaste because it is basic in nature. Answer is base. Next, the basic solution, turmeric indicator paper change from the yellow. It is a red color. Okay, the indicator, the paper, turmeric paper change into red color. Okay, yellow to red. But book giving the methyl orange due to the yellow color. That's why the another one is yellow to red color. Next, fill in the blanks. Third one, bases are bitter taste. Bases are bitter taste. Chemical formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Next, true or false? Acids are bitter in taste? No, false. Acids are sour in taste. Bases are soapy to touch when they are dry? No. The bases are soapy to touch when they are aqueous solution. Okay, aqueous medium only. The bases are soapy. Acids are corrosive in nature? Yes, true. Acid and bases are two of them corrosive in nature. All bases are alkalis? False. But all the alkalis are bases. Okay, first you know the meaning of alkalis. What is alkalis? Which base dissolving in water, that is alkali. Okay, which base dissolving in water, that is alkalis. So all bases are not alkalis. Some of them not dissolve, some of them not give a OH ion, but they are also bases. So, but all bases are alkalis, not correct. But all the alkalis are base, but all bases are not alkalis. This is reason. Okay, dears, you mark the book back answers. I will send the photocopy. You mark in your book. Read thoroughly. You have to study the acid and bases. Okay, thank you.